But what we saw spill onto our streets since Monday night has been nothing short of thuggery. What we saw has been nothing short of racism.
The violent scenes we've seen in Northern Ireland over the last 2 nights really represent a horrific form of racist thuggery and intimidation.
The scenes witnessed last night in North Belfast were brutal, disgusting and horrific.
I'm scared, and seeing this, I'm wondering, should I be the next because I'm the next street? If this happens, is my house be the next to be attacked? I don't know.
The incident happened in the Kennard Avenue area on Monday the 8th of June at around 10:30 p.m. Officers arrived at the scene within minutes of the report to detain and arrest the suspect and to administer first aid. Colleagues from Northern Ireland Ambulance Service attended a short time later. The victim was taken to hospital with significant injuries to his eyes and serious slash wound injuries to his back and face. The suspect, a man in his 30s, who we now understand to be Sudanese, was arrested at the scene on suspicion of attempted murder.
Running for their lives. Immigrant families targeted in East Belfast in one of the worst nights of violence seen in Northern Ireland in over a decade. Police resources heavily stretched as chaos unfolded on the streets. The protest began shortly before 7 p.m, with many turning violent instantly. This was the scene on the Newton Ards Road, where a glider bus was hijacked and set alight. Just a short distance away, cars and homes were torched, with many of the residents fleeing for their lives. Elsewhere, in Cloughfern, close to 800 people gathered where they hijacked cars and threw petrol bombs at police. These were the scenes off the Crumlin Road in the north of the city. It was here that masked men swept through the streets, setting cars alight and torching homes. Disorder continued for a second night across Northern Ireland. Masked men pelted police with petrol bombs, bricks and bottles, both in Portadown and in Belfast. The night started quiet with a protest that was organised for Belfast City Hall that became almost non-existent. So much so, the cast of peelers spent time here posing for pictures with bewildered tourists. It was 8 miles north of the city centre where violence erupted when police prevented protesters from getting to a local hotel that houses asylum seekers. The police came under attack and a lorry was subsequently set alight. The rioting continued on the Antrim Road for hours. This derelict bungalow was torched and this vintage car destroyed. A van was hijacked and drove into a wall, police responding with water cannon. It was almost midnight before the calm was restored, but in Portadown, the police continued to come under sustained attack. One youth set himself alight while throwing a petrol bomb, and police dogs were deployed.